Alright, so what I'm doing is round 2, video messed up, but I'm still going to make this video anyway because this was pretty awesome. And what I did is I took my DeWalt drill and I drilled a couple of holes right back here behind this toilet, and it was full of water. And I threw this javelin right here, which I'm going to throw again. I still got to break this toilet more. I had this set up like this, like a target. And I threw it through, and it busted the tank. All the water went out. I'm gonna throw this again because I gotta try to bust this part right here, right there. And then I threw that cast iron skillet through it again to really break it. That's why it's really broken. So I busted it. The water went out. Threw the cast iron. Went more. I'm gonna do this again. Needs one more throw. I didn't get the first part on the video though, but here we go. I'm gonna try this. I hit it. Let's do that cast iron though. Let's try that. Oh yeah, we got it. Okay, now all I gotta do is remove this toilet now in little pieces. I'm gonna bag it up, take it to the dumpster on the street. I'm gonna take this trash here behind me in this tub and do the same thing. I'm gonna bag it up, take it to the street, and continue this process.